Hey folks, another very warm day across the valley today. Readings still warmer than 80 in the western half of the valley, 82 Edinburgh, McAllen, 85 in Rio Grande City. Everybody else in the 70s in the eastern half of the valley, including Brownsville at 77 degrees right now. Not going to cool off all that much tonight. Our low should be right around 70, give or take a degree or two, with just mostly cloudy, muggy conditions. Probably fog forming in a few places once again. And where it does form, it could be thick for a time. And then during the daytime tomorrow, like this, back in the 80s, every place except Brownsville and the beach. And Brownsville, you're close. The island always staying cooler this time of year with the cool water out there. About 68 for a high at South Padre, made 69 this afternoon, 86 for a high tomorrow in Rio Grande City. The normal high for this time of year, 73 degrees, and we are almost off the chart up here. The records are 88, 88, so we'll be kind of getting close, but probably not breaking the records, but at least getting well above average by a good 10 degrees. Satellite shows a lot of clouds today. There have been some breaks this afternoon, kind of a brightening of the sky in places, but not just a clear blue sky by any means. And those patchy clouds will be around all night long. In fact, there'll be some fog around the area in the morning again, and a lot of thick gray clouds early. By afternoon, though, a little bit of sunshine with that. Your temperatures climb back in the 80s again. We repeat that whole process on Wednesday. We don't see much change. Wednesday looks a lot like today. Tomorrow looks a lot like today. This whole week, at least through Thursday, we don't see many changes. But by Friday, we do see a front coming in, and that front, not Thursday, but late Thursday into Friday, will bring some cooler temperatures into the region. So I think we're dry tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday, late in the day, as that front approaches, could be a shower or two around the area. Then your rain chance does go up for Friday. Rest of Texas tonight, 77 right now in Dallas. Same thing in Longview, 74, Austin and Houston, 70 in San Antonio. Pretty mild day across the state. An awful lot of cloud cover working its way into our part of the state. There's low clouds, there's high clouds, there's just a bunch. So it's hard to get a whole lot of sun out of that. Well, over the next couple of days, doesn't change much. We stay warm. We have a southeast wind at the surface, southwest wind aloft, and that just gives us lots of moisture to work with, so it's hard to get much sun out of that sky. A front on the map on Wednesday, nope, it falls apart, but here comes a stronger one. That's due late Thursday into Friday. When that comes in, that'll push the warm air out. A strong north wind for Friday brings clouds and probably some drizzle. And instead of being in the 80s, we'll probably only be in the 50s all day Friday, so a significant cool down that will last all of about 2 days, and then it goes away back in the 70s by the end of the weekend. Travel plans get this week off to start in Dallas, 62 degrees in the morning. Houston, clouds, some showers and 66. San Antonio, 66 as well. By afternoon, most of the state warms back into the 70s, so pretty mild day across Texas. So for tonight, mostly cloudy, just patchy fog, 69 for your low, southeast winds. Then tomorrow, back up to 83. Some fog in the morning, but then mostly cloudy skies most of the day. But again, with a high of 83, about 10 above normal for this time of year. 83, 84, 83, then late Thursday into Friday, the front comes in, turns windy and cool for Friday, only 55 for a high, and that might be a morning temperature. Readings could slowly fall during the course of the daytime. Saturday back to 61, and look at Sunday and Monday, back in the 70s again. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.